How to fix unable to remove payment method on iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to fix unable to remove payment method on iPhone. So let's begin. So you might be having a problem like this one. So as you can see, there is a pop-up which says unable to remove. However, there are actually three steps in order for you to have or remove your payment method. So the first one is by going to your subscriptions. So to do that, you just simply go to your settings and then go to your profile right here and go to subscriptions right here. So wait for it to load. And then if you have any subscriptions, make sure to remove it first or turn off those subscriptions. So as you can see right here, I don't have any subscriptions. However, if you have an active subscription, make sure to turn it off by clicking on it and then remove it. And then for the second step is to turn off your family sharing. So make sure to go to subscriptions once again and then go to share with family. So turn that thing off by clicking on the toggle button found on the rightmost part of the share with family options. And then just simply click on it and then um, you should try again removing your payment method. And if it still doesn't work, and now what you're going to do is to make sure to pay your subscriptions. So for example, you have a balance on a certain subscription, make sure to pay it first and then try again removing your payment method. So now again, if it doesn't work, you should also try to go to your settings and then go to general and go to software update, wait for it to load, and make sure to download and install the latest update of the iOS. So now, click on download and install, wait for it to load, and then try again on removing the payment method. However, again, if it still doesn't work, make sure to contact Apple support or go to the nearest Apple or Mac center for more assistance. So that's it. That's
So
how you
that's all
can
for this
fix
video.
unable to
Let me know in the
remove
comment
payment
section
method
if
on
this works out for
iPhone.
you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.